Hello.
Yo,
What's your name?
William B. J. Smith, Walker.
What's your favorite sport?
I'm down with the soccer. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, soccer ball. Oh, come on. It's kind of hard to pick up. Reach for my crotch. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Can you headbutt the ball?
Okay. Next question.
Can you do some karate moves?
Yeah, pretty much. Whoa, yeah. Whoa. Okay. Next question.
What's your favorite type of food?
I like pizza and apple juice and cupcakes and chips. Yum, chips. Chips are pretty yummy. There's hair in my mouth. What should I do? Get the hair out of my mouth. Other side, right side of my face. Strong hand.
Oh, I think you dropped a chip there.
And yeah, I like chips.
Are they good?
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Alright. Next question.
Oh, you're done with your chips? Okay.
Yeah.
Where do you like to go shopping?
Dollar store. Pretty ghetto. Next question. Wipe my mouth. Mouth. Here. Left side. Okay. Next question.
What's your favorite type of flowers?
Petunias. They're pretty dandy, I think. I'm pretty, gangster. Look at the crotch. Yeah.
Oh, really?
I keep it flying. Fly.
Well, I think this interview is over.
Over and out.